Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are very well. Let's start our today's BGS class. Are you sitting with your BGS book and copy? Please students, be prepared. Students, now we are passing a holy month, Ramadan. Do you tell me which month is coming after Ramadan? Yes, students. Shawwal month is coming after Ramadan, and the first day of Shawwal is Eid day. Dear students, we know in an Eid everyone wants a new dress. But students, you ever wanted to know who has produced it? Or who has brought it in market? Or why the dress is brought in market? Or the dress made by what? We have four questions here. Look, students, from producing to consuming, many workers work for a product. This is all about economic work. Yes, students, today we will know about our economic sectors. Today is our second class of this chapter. In previous class, we knew about our economy, economic work, economic way of life, economy of Bangladesh, rural economy, urban economy, and we had some homework. Hope we all had completed our task. Do you remember who were producer and who were consumer? Yes, students. Who make the dress, they are producer, and who make the and who wear the dress, they are consumer. Today we will know about our economic sectors and their contribution. In Bangladesh we have four economic sectors. Look here, students, we had four questions and we had four economic sectors. Our four economic sectors are agricultural sectors, industrial sectors, trade and commerce sectors, service sector. And our questions were, who produced the dress? Dresses produced in a factory and it's a part of industrial sector. Our second question was, who has brought the dress in market? The workers of service sector are bring the dresses and all raw materials of industrial sector from here to there. Our third question was why dress brought for trade and commerce within country and outside of country the dress were brought. At last our question was our dress is made by what is the raw materials, and that raw materials are come from our agricultural sector. Do we understand the relation among four sectors of economy? These all sectors are play a great role in our economy. Let's discuss their contribution. Agricultural sector: paddy, jute, tea, pulse, rabi crops producing vegetables and fruits, forests, resource, livestock, they all are element of agricultural sector. The agricultural sector play a great role in our economy. Their contributions are agricultural sector meeting the domestic demand of food. People depend on agricultural sector for livelihood. Agricultural sector supplies raw materials of industry. Agriculture sector has 20% contribution on our economy. Industrial sector. This sector includes raw materials produced in factories, electricity, gas, mineral resources, construction of building and infrastructure, etc. Industrial sector plays a important role in our economy. Their contributions are industrial sector creates opportunity for employment. Industrial sector meeting demand of cloth, medicine, housing. Industrial sector earn foreign currency. When the product of industrial sector are going to outside of country, then the country earn many foreign currency. For development of any country, industrial development is more important. Now we discuss about trade and commerce sector. Trade and commerce sector had two parts: domestic trade and foreign trade. Which trade which trade occur within the country, that's traded course calls domestic trade, and the trade occurs outside of country with another country, that is called foreign trade. Trade and commerce sector has some contributions in our economy. Trade and commerce sectors are valuable foreign currency. Trade and commerce sector making commodities available in domestic market. Domestic market means within country, within country's market. Domestic trade plays an important role to our economy. Now, service sector. Service sector plays an important role in our economy. Education, healthcare, housing, transport or communication, bank insurance, public administration, law enforcing agencies are examples of service sector. They have some contributions. Service sector works for improvement of the living standard of people. Service sector is run by both public and private. In developed countries, service sector is more vigorous. More vigorous means more strong. In every developed country, service sectors are very much strong. That's all, students. Let's summarize our today's lecture. Today, we have learned our four sectors of economy: agricultural sectors, industrial sectors, trade and commerce sectors, service sectors, and their contribution. Hope you all are understand this topic. Students, you have some homework. These students will solve 9 questions A and B type from our lecture 2. Okay, students, our class has finished. Goodbye and thank you.